Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I hope you're all doing well. So as you can see, bare face, no natural glam. I've got my turban on slash microfiber towel, and that's because I've just shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I thought to just film this part of the video because I have finally got my deep conditioning cap. So yeah, I've got a deep conditioning cap finally now. So I've got the cap and I just thought to try it out on camera. I'm really excited. I've been wanting this from like last year. So yeah, so in the box itself it says it comes with one deep conditioning cap and 2 disposable shower caps. So I'll just show you what was in the box. So in the box you just get a card with their website. The brand is called Magic Gel, so that is the company, and it's just got their little thank you card. Then it's got some top tips, which is really good. It's got some top tips of hair care. It's got 16 tips in total, so that's really handy. 16 tips on how to care for your hair, so I'll look forward to reading that. Then it has their instruction manual, which I've just read already, and it just shows you how to use it. So this is the deep conditioning cap itself. So this is what it looks like, and it's got elastic band around your head. It does feel a bit weighty, but that's because of the gel packs. Ooh, and it's quite squidgy as well. Oh yeah, I could feel how squidgy that is. But yeah, this is, you can see it's a gel pack one, and that's what I really wanted. They have got others that has, I think it's flaxseed in them, but I didn't want that one. I wanted this. This was the one I really wanted, was the gel one. So that's what it comes with. And then it also, as it said, came with 2 disposable shower caps. So it looks like I may have to buy, like, say, a box of disposable shower caps, but they've given you the first 2. So yeah, let's get into this. So I will put in a quick clip of how I deep condition my hair, but just for the deep conditioner I'm using the ORS hair mayonnaise, and like I said in previous videos, because I've got loads of these Tresemes, I'm just using them up. So I did mix them together, so this is what I'm using for my deep conditioner for this week. So as you can see, my hair is still damp, but I do have my spray bottle because, like I said, with these microfiber towels, the longer you leave it, it really does soak up all that excess water in your hair, and I can feel it. I am going to just spray in a bit more water in my hair. So I'm just going to part my hair into 4 sections. So I'm going to start off with this back section, and when you're parting your hair, especially when it's wet, be very careful and gentle with your hair, because I can start feeling some of the regrowth and it's starting to get a bit thicker now. So I like to split my back section, each 4 section I like to split it into half. So I like to do half and half. That's how I do my deep conditioning. So I have deep conditioned the whole of my hair now, and it's all nicely coated, definitely well coated. Didn't realize I put a lot in that dish, but oh well. So what I'm gonna do, I usually just twist it up like that, and then it said to put on one of these disposable, so I'm gonna put on the disposable cap, and then I'm gonna pop the deep conditioning cap in the microwave, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I've heated this up. I want to be quick because I did heat up in total 50 seconds, so just under a minute. I think next time I could have got done with a minute, but it is really like warm, not really hot but warm, so I'm going to be quick with this, and then I'm just going to use the disposable shower cap they gave me, and then put this on top, and it said to leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now it's been about 15-20 minutes. I did put on my little stopwatch for it to be for 15 minutes, but I did go a bit over the time, so I would say reckon it is 20 minutes. I can still feel, sorry, can't really hear myself because it's covering my ears, but I can still feel the warmth. Not really in the center now, it's cooled down in the center, but still around the sides it does still feel warm. And like I said, I've done that to 50 seconds. I might just do a minute actually, heat this up for a minute. But yeah, I would say like leave this on until it cools down, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's really definitely, I can feel it, it's still warm. Even my hair, I can feel it, it's still nice and warm, which is good. And you know, with deep conditioner, it's really good to deep condition with some type of heat. So like I said, if you don't want to be under a hooded dryer or something like that, even though the next hairstyle will be under a hooded dryer, but this just saves you, especially in the summertime. If you do need or want more summertime tips, I did a video last year about a few tips how I manage my hair throughout the summer, so you can just click the link in the description for that video. So yeah, this is it. I really like it. Nice little handy tool. I'm just so happy. I'm so happy that I finally got one. So like I said, if you want one of these, definitely, it is from Amazon, and it's called the Magic Gel. Like I said, make sure you subscribe, because in part 2 of this, we might as well call it part 2. Once I wash this out, I'm going to start my next style, so make sure you are subscribed so you can see that next hairstyle. So as always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So take care now. Bye.